Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Regin Valdez Cuita, and today I am going to teach you the psychology of human attraction. When we say attraction, it describes interest, desire, or affinity that's emotional, romantic, sexual, physical, or aesthetic in nature. Many people mislabel attraction as purely romantic, but many feelings qualify as attraction, from taking an interest in someone to admiring someone's appearance to experiencing sexual feelings. I have your major topics. So, let's go to sa mga kalalakihan muna. Attraction of men to women. So, meron physical attitude, character, or value. So, let's proceed to physical. When we say physical, ito yung mga panlabas na anyo na nagugustuhan ng mga tao sa atin. So, sinasabi rito na heterosexual men don't tend to be attracted to women who have a youthful appearance and exhibit features such as symmetrical face, pantay ang mukha, bilog, full breasts, full lips, and low waist hip ratio. And when it comes to attitude, pinaka nagugustuhan daw ng mga kalalakihan ay yung mga bababait na babae. It says here that men often appreciate women who can show kindness and consideration for others, as it can make them feel valued and supported. Next is positive attitude. Men are often drawn to women who have a positive outlook on life, as it suggests that they are optimistic and fun to be around. And last is open mindedness. Men often appreciate women who are adventurous and curious, as it can make them feel more engaged and excited about life. Disclaimer lang ito yung mostly according to the researcher. Next is when it comes to character or value, sinasabi rito sa research na one of the qualities that make a lady become of high value to a man is her ability to be self-sufficient. Many men love ladies who can take care of themselves without any help. Next is, she value her peace of mind. Sino bang gusto? Sino bang hindi gusto ng peace of mind? So, sinasabi rito na a high value woman walks away from anything that would cause her peace of mind. She knows that her sanity is important to meeting her goals. Therefore, she would ignore every distraction on her way to the top. Third is, she is brave, matapang. One of the core attributes of a high value woman is bravery. She approaches with bravery and caution when faced with challenges threatening to destroy everything she has worked for. Lastly is, she is a great listener. Sino bang ayaw sa mga babaeng magaling makinig? Yung nakikinig. High value women are great listeners, so they have many people around them. This means that they would attract the love and respect of people, especially men, because everyone wants someone to hear them out. Next is, sa mga kababaihan naman tayo, ang mga prefer nila when it comes to physical. Ayan. So, attraction of women to men. Physical, attitude, character, value. When it comes to physical, heterosexual women tend to be attractive to men who are taller than they themselves are and who display a high degree of facial symmetry, masculine, facial dimorphism, upper body strength, broad shoulders, a relatively narrow waist, and a V-shaped torso. Women may like older men because they had time to accumulate more resources, according to a study in evolutionary psychology. Next, when it comes to attitude, ang prepared daw ng mga kababaihan ay nangunguna na naman ang mga mababait. Sino bang ayaw sa mabait? So, yon. For long-term relationships, women tend to prefer altruistic men who are kind and do good deeds, according to a study from the Journal of Social Psychology. According to the study na yan. So, next is respectful. A man who is respectful towards his partner, her family, and elders is generally seen as desirable. This includes showing good manners, being polite, and being considerate of others' feelings. Third is honest, hindi matapat. Filipino women value men who are truthful and transparent in their action and words. A man who is honest about his feelings, intentions, and actions is seen as trustworthy and dependable. Last is responsible. Diba? Pang-asawahan na to, yung mga responsableng tao. So, ang gusto raw ng mga kababaihan is a man who is responsible and reliable is highly valued by Filipino women. Tayo raw mga kababaihan, tayong mga Pilipina, gusto natin ay yung mga responsible na lalaki at yung mga reliable. So, this includes being dependable, fulfilling obligations, mga obligations, and caring for one's need and those of the family. Next is when it comes to character and value, sinasabi dito, ayun, so, na gusto ng mga kababaihan ay yung pagkakaroon ng sense of humor. So, based on scientists, a sense of humor makes men seem more intelligent, according to studies from intelligence and personal relationship. Next is leadership ability. Leadership ability, it's no secret that women are often attracted to men who display the ability to lead others. Yun. Example na lang rito yung mga kalalakihan na kayang tumayo or kayang magpasunod. Next is yung drive. Drive. Women are attracted to men who have goals and are actively pursuing them. Masculine energy is directional energy. Last is loyalty. Loyalty is highly valued in Filipino culture, and women appreciate men who are faithful and committed to their relationship. So, ayan. Ang napansin ko lang dito, when it comes to physical, ito yung mga taong ano yung mga strangers, yung mga possible na nagugustuhan natin, like, hindi talaga natin totally kakilala. Kasi gustuhan lang natin yung face niya, ganon. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng attraction sa physical appearance niya, sa panlabas niya. Ayun, so mga di natin kakilala. Tas, when it comes to attitude, ito na yung mga kaibigan natin, yung mga nakakausap na natin, na-encounter natin. Tapos, mga class natin, ayun, yung napapansin natin yung attitude nila na nataturnan tayo sa mga ibang attitude nila, sa mga iba't ibang klase ng ugali, pag-uugali nila. Ito yung mga tapos, ito namang character or value, ito na yun sa mga parang mga super close mo na, like yung mga nakasama mo sa tahan, mga tulad na ng mga kapatid mo, mga kamag-anak mo, tapos best friend mo, co-workers mo, yung mga close na talaga. Yun. So, ayun lang napansin ko dito. So, ito, yung mga study na nakita ko. Filipino women preference for male voice, pitch, intra-individual life history, and hormonal predictors. Yan, original article published noong February 14, 2018. Yung findings nila rito are reinforce the notion that reproductive potential predicts preference for sexual dimorphic traits. Sorry, may internet, nawawala siya. Yun. And emphasize importance of assessing measures of reproductive potential when evaluating mate preferences. Recommendations. Prior work suggests that women preferences for sexual dimorphic traits such as preferences for masculine facial and vocal characteristics may be modulated by a multitude of factors related to reproductive potential including breastfeeding status. So next is fertile women evaluate male bodies as more attractive regardless of masculinity. Author links often overlay Panel Juliet, Junger, Tobias L. Kodsmeyer, Tanja M. Gerlach, and Lars Penke. Yung findings nila is contrary to previous findings, male masculine traits did not interact with cycle pace to predict attraction, indicating that women's preferential priorities do not shift. So, recommendation research suggests that at peak fertility, women tend to prefer men with characteristics that reflect good genes for short term sexual relationships. Third is advancing women in construction gender differences in attraction and retention factors with manager in the electrical construction industry. The author is Anthony J. Pernaud, PhD Pusha. So findings, in total of 686 managers responded to the survey, 71 of whom were women. Upon testing of the data, significant differences emerged in the influence of factors in attracting and retaining women versus men. These findings contribute to the industry's understanding of advancing women in the construction of industry. Recommendation: this study investigated factors that are most influential in attracting women to and retaining them in management careers in the construction industry. A funded research study with Electri International provided support to identity the attraction and retention factors for women. Sorry, mahina kasi internet. So, identify the attraction and retention factors for women working in management position in the electrical construction industry. Ayan, so, ito pa, meron pa po tayo rito yung unexplanatory study of exclusively heterosexual, primarily heterosexual and mostly heterosexual young men. Ayan, by Rich C. Savin, William Savin. So, nandito na yung email niya. All authors and affiliation. This next is mobilizing men, ally identities, and collective actions in Japan and the Philippines. Published online by Cambridge University Press 27 noong March 2019. The author is Daniel P. Ochoa. Open the ORCID record for Daniel P. Ochoa opens a new window with Eric Julian Manalastas, Makiko Deguchi, and Winalfred R. Ruiz. Last is physical appearance, attractiveness, and the mediating role of emotions by Albert Marian Jeffrey Aslow. Ito yung findings niya. It showed that for adults, variation in facial and bodily characteristics failed to produce babyish facial features as the basic factor of physical appearance. So, recommendation: the distinction between static physical characteristic versus behavioral such as emphasis and has important implications regarding limited generality of the findings. So, that's all. Thank you for listening, guys.